Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop redirects in Google Chrome. If Chrome keeps opening random websites or redirecting you to unwanted pages, these settings may help fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Site Settings. Scroll down and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects is selected. Once you have done that, go back and reload Chrome. If the problem is still there, click on the three dots again. Then select Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Now disable all extensions. After disabling them, restart Chrome and check if the redirects have stopped. Sometimes a faulty or unwanted extension can cause websites to redirect automatically. So this is how you can stop redirects in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.